Hi guys, welcome to the holy month of Ramadan. Today we are at Golden Palms, a brand new buffet opened in Bradford today. They are offering hundreds of dishes, bottomless soft drinks, 22 different flavors of gelato ice creams, cakes, and much more. But the question is whether it's right or not. Let's give it a go and find out more. Let's start with fresh fruits, healthy olives, healthy option, fresh leafy salad. Here is kurkuri khati mitti samosa chaat, sizzling chapli kebab. New dish, cheesy chicken kofta. Hari bhari haryali chicken boti. Why not add Karachi best Behari kebabs? Let's add some protein, masala fish. This is absolutely new. Guchu Jang drumsticks. Here is my fully loaded 2 meaty and leafy starter dishes. Let's enjoy live cooking, lamb chops and ribs. Lamb chops, ribs, hummus and chutneya. Let's start our buffet with hummus, salads, fruit salad, samosa chaat, haryali boti, masala fish, kebab, lamb chops and ribs, lamb ribs. Very nice.
Amazing starter.
Spicy and tasty chicken biryani. Kabli pulao, the most wanted dish in England. Don't forget to try Chersi Krai #1. Buttery, soft and fluffy naan bread. Finally, everybody's favorite mutton karahi. My meaty, ricey, spicy main dishes. So far best in Bradford. Let's try the main dishes. Chersi Karahi. Tantalizing chicken biryani. Afghani pulao. Mango lassi. Mango lassi is really dense, thick, creamy, and incredible taste. I'm extremely happy that I really enjoyed the best buffet in Bradford so far. They are the finest in Bradford. Their starters, their salads, their mains, their desserts are absolutely amazing. Delectable ambrosia. We really enjoyed it, and I highly recommend you have to bring your whole family and enjoy this buffet iftar dinner during this holy month of Ramadan. Their service is absolutely 5 stars. They are doing their best business, and they serve you like a king. Last but not least, cakes and ice cream. Mango ice cream, Malai kulfi ice cream, coconut ice cream, pistachio, milky bar, banana, hot cookie dough with chocolate sauce, chocolate cake. They have a really, really tasty, beautiful desserts, 20, 22 different flavors of ice creams and cakes, absolutely delicious, lip smacking.